Welcome to the Stomp Grip installation video. In this tutorial, we're going to go over every step necessary for you to install your new dirt bike gripper kit. These are the items today we'll be using to install our new gripper kit. A hairdryer or heat gun, a clean towel, non-chlorinated brake cleaner or isopropyl alcohol, the Stomp adhesion promoter kit, and the gripper kit itself. Check the back of the package to make sure this is the right kit for your make and model. Also check the manufacturing date. Since every gripper kit is made to order, it will be warranted and should be applied within 1 year from this date. Using the brake cleaner, we're going to thoroughly clean the entire area your kit will be applied to. Next, we're going to activate our adhesion primer stick by bending firmly on the black dot on the stick itself. You'll hear a cracking noise. That's when you know it's ready. Cover the entire area with the primer, paying special attention to the edges that your kit will adhere to. Remove the kit from the packaging. Heat the back side of the piece you're going to be applying. Also heat the area it'll be applied to. Both of these need to be warm to the touch. With both areas being warm, remove a small piece of the paper backing. Be sure you're only removing the paper backing and none of the adhesive itself. Align this piece on the correct area of your bike. Now press on the portion we've peeled back. Continue applying the piece using the towel. This will help eliminate any air trapped underneath the kit. Now apply the rest of your gripper kit as you've seen here. We recommend at least 24 hours for the adhesive to gain full strength. Now that you installed your new gripper kit, go out there and put this traction in action.